This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play these arms of mine on guitar step by step. Start by tuning to standard E, then learn the chord progression and melody shape. Use a metronome and play very slowly to lock timing, then increase speed by 10% increments. Focus on consistent tone, relaxed right hand picking, and clear left hand transitions. Repeat short loops until muscle memory feels natural and confident. Warm your fingers and start with basic fretting drills to strengthen finger independence. Focus on accurate fingertip placement and minimal movement between notes to reduce strain. Practice hammer-ons and pull-offs within the songs, phrases to recreate the vocal-like licks. Repeat each phrase slowly, adding slight dynamics so notes sing. Keep sessions short and focused, aiming for steady improvement without fatigue or tension in the forearm and wrist. Work on right hand picking patterns that match the song's groove and accents. Use alternate picking for descending runs and economy when notes line up on adjacent strings. Practice syncopated phrases slowly with a metronome, then add dynamics by emphasizing strong beats. Record yourself to identify timing slips and adjust. Keep your wrist loose and let the pick rebound naturally to preserve tone and endurance during longer takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.